Let's talk about cookie based SQLi. So you have to find any cookie parameter and there you have to try for SQLi in. So my target is this website testphp.vulnwev.com. If I have to find a cookie parameter there, I have to first log in there because login generates cookie and that cookie may store their database. So I'll first log in this, your profile. There is a login page, the username is test and the password is test. Logged in. Now if I have to test there, I have to first spider this website. So intercept is on. I will just reload this. I'll right click, send this to spider. Yes. Now then I have to find what cookie parameters. So if you want to find cookie parameter, you can use burp search. You can search here cookie in where request header, not response header. Okay, so see these many URLs having your cookie, so you can right click, pick anyone. See this, there is a cookie or not? There is a cookie. So I'll right click, send this to repeater now. Let's click on repeater, click on go, render. Now see, this is your rendering web page. So you have to attack on cookie parameter. So this is a cookie field. Cookie parameter is login and their value is test whatever. I'll do a backslash there now. See, I got an error there. See this? The warning MySQL fetch array expectation parameter 1 to be. So this way we identify there is a cookie based SQLi. You can also balance the by single quote minus space. Let's leave this. It's not balancing. Let's do remove single quote. I'll do double quote there. Yeah, see this? It's fixed now. So we have balance now. You can execute any other query also, like order by 10. But 10 is not working. Order by 1. Okay, order by 100. So it's giving me something. Okay, I will remove one thing. Let's try directly order by 100. So order by is a big amount. Let's try order by 10 only. Let's click on go. So 10 is we are getting something. Okay, now if I'm trying to order by 40, are we getting same page? Yes, without any changes. That means we haven't fixed something. Let's try single quote fixing. Okay, so maybe order by 40 not. Let's try order by 1. It's not fixing. So you can try single quote closing. Let's try the single quote closing. That's not fixing. I'll try double quote closing. Yeah, double quote closing is fixing. Let's try order by 40 there. Maybe so so basically it's not fixing. It's vulnerable but it's not fixing. No problem. Okay, there may be double query based. Okay, so we identified that there is a vulnerability. Now we'll see the exploitation after this. Okay, don't worry about the exploitation part.